Guys, today we're going to talk about singular and plural subject words. Okay, so get in your head that we're talking about subjects. And remember, a subject names a person, place, thing, animal, or idea that the whole sentence is focused in on. So we're talking about those subjects. Take a look at these pictures. Okay, see this picture up here? This one has one subject in it, right? There's just one cow. The sentence under the picture names the cow as the subject. The cow grazes. See how the subject cow is underlined? The subject word is singular. Singular means one. So there's just one subject, one single subject. Now look at the second picture. This one shows more than one cow. The subject word is cows. The subject is plural. Plural means more than one. Here it is, it's underlined, cows. So I want to practice this a little bit. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me if the word I say is singular or plural. Let me write those words out for you. We're talking about subjects, and some subjects are singular, which means one, and some are plural, which means more than one. So I'll write two or more. Okay, everyone say singular, say plural. Fantastic. All right, so here we go. Here's an example. Markers. Is it singular or plural? Glass. Window. Windows. Shoes. Shoe. Flags. Donkey. Good. Okay, I have another sentence for you. Take a look. The sentence says, the horse jumps. Here's our subject. Here's our action predicate. Is the subject singular or plural? Singular. So the predicate word must reflect the number of the subject. So that's why the predicate ends in an S. The S on the end of an action word means that the singular subject is doing the action. Let me show you something else. I'm going to change it a little bit. Ready? Okay, what does our sentence say now? Horses jump. And I'll go ahead and show the action. Is this subject word singular or plural? Plural, there's more than one. So because the subject word is plural, the predicate, jump, has to reflect. It has to match. So if the subject is plural, there isn't an S on the end of a predicate word. So it's kind of the opposite. Singular, there's an S. Plural, no S. The horse jumps. Horses jump. We have to make our match, and we call this subject-predicate agreement. We want to agree and get along. On the next few slides, you're going to see a picture. You have to write a bare-bones sentence about the picture and make sure that the subject and the predicate agree. So if the picture has one lion, then whatever action you have the lion do better have an S. The lion runs. If the picture has 5 lions, then your action predicate does not need an S. The lions run. You ready to try writing your sentences? Awesome.